Hey guys, it's Kyle from Kids Row Studios, and today I'm going to show you how to make hot cocoa for your family. These are the supplies you'll need: chocolate milk, a mug, a spoon, a straw, that's optional, a measuring cup, and a towel. These next two supplies are optional: regular milk for that extra creamy goodness, and instant hot cocoa mix for extra chocolate and marshmallows. Step 1. Get your chocolate milk packet and a straw. Poke the straw into the milk. Step 2. Get your chocolate milk and pour 8 ounces into a measuring cup. Step 3. Get your chocolate milk, 8 ounces, and pour it into your mug. Step 4. Put your hot chocolate, or what's going to be your hot chocolate, in the microwave for 2 minutes. Have a grown-up help you if you can't reach. And just like that, your hot cocoa is done. Now let's see how it will look like when it has the cream. For the cream and extra chocolate, these are the supplies you'll need: a mug, hot cocoa mix, a spoon, a measuring cup, a straw, chocolate milk, and regular milk. Step 1. Get your instant hot cocoa mix and pour it in the bottom of your cup. Don't forget to stretch it out so all of it gets out. Very good. Step 2. Get both of your milks and pour 4 ounces of each into the measuring cup. This is going to be for the cream. Sorry if there was noise in the background. That was my dad cutting something. Don't let you squeeze out. Almost there. Okay, there we go. And then when you're done with that, pour that into the cup. Step 4. Get your spoon and stir it around. Stir it around until there is no chunks left around. Sometimes you may need to push the marshmallows down to get some of the chunks out. Step 5. Put the hot cocoa, or what would be your hot cocoa, in for the microwave for 2 minutes. If you can't reach, have an adult help you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more baking videos. Bye now.